How to verify cashapp account. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you verify your cashapp account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application cashapp with your account. Alright, so after you open the cashapp with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the top right corner. Alright, so after you tap on your profile icon, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on the option privacy and security. Alright, so after you tap on that option, you'll be able to find the options like identity verification. So simply from there, you'll have to scroll down and go that option. So simply from the identity verification section, you'll have to complete all of the procedure from there, like you have to verify with your driving ID or any kind of document or IDs. So from there you'll have to also verify with your selfie of yourself. So after you complete all of the procedure from there, you'll be able to verify your cashapp account. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.